Welcome back.
And today we are making another Home Depot Kids Workshop.
I did what we're doing today.
We're doing a fire cheat car. And you should go check out our other videos if you haven't, where we make a star, a crane, a lawnmower, a ping pong table, a four-wheel truck, and a fire truck. Which, what we're doing this video has something to do with the fire truck, but it's for the chief.
Yeah, so it's a little bit different. And again, if you haven't seen some of the other videos, check them out. They're on our YouTube page. You guys ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's start. So the instruction says to start with sanding each wood piece to remove any rough edges that are in the blocks. And remember to sand it in the direction of the wood grain. Glue and nail the pieces together and allow the glue to completely dry.
Touch the glue.
Glue. So we've already kind of, like we said, we sanded it. We've already got it all painted. So it's already to be assembled. Yeah, and we spray painted it already. So step number 1 says lay the top car piece down while holding the nails facing up. So we want to get that wide piece down on there. We're going to put the...
Wait, we're supposed to do this one.
No, we're doing the white piece first. And we're going to put 4 nails on top and we're going to nail them in. So we're going to take... Who's going first? We do one nail at a time. We got to do one nail at a time. So we got to move it out. No, okay. Here we go. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, one more time. Rock, paper, scissors. One more time. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. There we go. So yeah, Isaiah goes first. All right, Isaiah. Let's go ahead and put that one nail first in. Let's go ahead and put that first nail in.
I was going to pick scissors, but I changed my mind to rock.
Yeah. For step number 2, we're going to take the pieces now that we've had this hammered in, all those 4 nails on top. We're going to lay the bottom car piece down with the wheel wells facing down. So that red piece, or that bottom piece as we call it, you make sure the wheels are facing down. And we're going to glue the top of the car piece on the flat surface of the bottom car piece. Now, we're not going to do the glue at this point. We're going to skip that step. But again, they're recommending if you wanted to do that, you can do that. And make sure the top car piece is on the flat surface and side edges are even. And nail them together. And so for this one, we're going to ask Daniel to come in and help us do the step. So again, we're going to take the top piece. We're going to make sure it's even. Straighten through, and we're going to hammer that in. All right, now that he's got all these hammered in here, we should be able to go to our next step. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind when you're hammering this is make sure that it's even and straight. And also make sure that the wider edge is the front, because that's where the hood would go. And the narrow edge is in the back, because that's obviously where the trunk would be. All right, so step number 3 is putting the top piece, the light bar that would go up in there, right? So we found it, we have it. So we're gonna place it now. It needs to be somewhere in the middle between all the nails. And before we start, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, right? To figure out who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors. And yeah, goes first again.
With the copy.
Yeah. So here's what the steps are for number 4 before we start. Glue the light bar on top of the car piece between the nails and center. Make sure side edges are even. Nail it in place with 2 short nails. So Isaiah has it in place. He's gonna hold it. You need some help?
Yeah. Where do I start?
We're going to ask Daniel to come and maybe help you hold it here while you hammer it in. Perfect. That's perfect. Now Elijah does his part. Daniel's going to adjust it, make sure it's even. And now we're going to go to the second nail.
Elijah, you know how to hold the nails?
And Daniel's going to put it in for us, the nail in place.
Barely tapped. Why take it?
How about Elijah?
Elijah, you gotta hold on to it.
Now, one thing to keep in mind. If you are painting the project, do not paint inside or around the peg holes. Painting inside or around the peg holes make it difficult to insert axle pegs. So allow the paint to dry before you start. So as you can tell here, we made sure that our peg openings are not blocked so we can be able to put our wheels. So let's go ahead and open up the packet.
I am.
Use all of our strength in our mouth.
You like teeth.
Use our teeth.
Yeah, always open my mouth.
And we're gonna do 2 wheels and 2 wheels. Elijah gets 2 wheels, Isaiah gets 2 wheels, and they went everywhere.
Like an explosion.
All right, now Elijah's gonna go first. Because you already went twice, so Elijah's gonna go first.
Yes.
All right, Elijah, let's put that wheel in. Let's put the peg through. And let's just lightly tap it. Make sure you hold it. Somebody needs to hold it or it's gonna everywhere. Perfect. Now let's do the other wheel. Elijah is getting it done.
Quickly. I'll be really scared.
Make sure. How about we do this? So that way you don't run the risk of getting hit with a hammer.
Yeah, always is.
And we have it in now. It's Isaiah's turn.
Yeah, whoever's watching, if it's a project like this, I want you to try it. It's one of those.
All right, so let's go ahead and add the wheels and add the peg, which is the axle. We're gonna tap it in there. Somebody needs to hold it for him, or can you hold it? There you go. Teamwork. Oh no!
The wheel broke.
I would move your hand from there, Elijah. Don't put your hand on your left hand. Take your left hand out. Look at your thumb. You need to hold your hammer a little further back and a little higher, so that way you don't. Nope.
This is not the project.
That's good right there.
Not right the project.
Now turn it around and let's do the last wheel in place.
Where is he?
Oh no, he's got no tire. We need a tire in there.
Wait.
How's that gonna work? Oh no. You knocked your brother out. All right, let's put the last wheel on. Come on, we're in the last step. You got it in. Gonna hammer it in. Watch out, move back. Just a light tap. We don't need a hard tap. Perfect.
I broke it a little bit.
Oh no. All right, so now we need to add our stickers to the car, and we're gonna ask Daniel to help us with some of these stickers.
So I'll put on the front sticker. Wait.
We'll do the, okay, Isaiah will do the light first. He's gonna do the light. Might as well get that one out of the way.
Yeah.
Good, great.
You gonna place that sticker, Elisha? Just tell me. Now you can place it.
All right, and now the Home Depot. This one's gonna go underneath.
So you don't know where's the Home Depot.
Right.
Can I just look
All right, so now we're gonna do the front sticker, which we know is the more slicker side, not the even.
Put that in place.
This, not the even side.
Yep.
So we want to hand out our certificates while Daniel finishes putting the stickers on. So Isaiah, here's your Elijah. That's your certificate. And Isaiah is your certificate. And you also get a pin. Elijah, if you want to show us the pin. So this is a pin that can go on your apron, in which again, these aprons are available at the Home Depot store. And as you can tell, we've been doing several projects along the way. So, okay. So we're getting along. We've got almost one more sticker to go on the windshields, and that's about it. All right, so we got our stickers on our cars. We got our pins and certificates. We finished the project. And we want to thank you all for watching this video.
Bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. If you like this show, help us grow and go check out our other videos. Hit that like button, subscribe.